Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we're going to be talking about my top 5 favorite highlighters. I've covered all the high-end. I actually have only one high-end, so I've covered some high-end as well as middle range and very affordable highlighters as well. If you want to know what these highlighters are, then please keep on watching. Before which, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just click the red color subscribe button down below this video. Also hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I upload any video. So without much further delay, let's get started. So the first highlighter that I'm going to be talking about is the MAC highlighter. I got this free. Actually, I purchased stuff for about 3,000 rupees on Nykaa, from MAC, and I got this highlighter free. So I actually shared about this particular highlighter and the stuff that I got from MAC in my Insta story as well. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow. I'll leave my Instagram handle right here or in the description box below, so do follow me there. And this particular highlighter, it's a beautiful gold tone highlighter. It's called as Whisper of Guilt, and the swatch of it looks like this. It's a very nice intense highlighter. This is the highlighter that I'm wearing currently on my skin. Also, if you're looking out for this particular makeup look, I just filmed this makeup look and I will be uploading it either after this video, or I would have already uploaded it. If I did upload it already, I'll leave a link to it in the description box below, or I'll put a card up here or here. So coming back to this highlighter, it's a beautiful golden tone highlighter. As you can see, this is sort of like the highlighter that I have been using quite often these days. I've been using this so much. I love this highlighter. So if you're looking out for a good quality high-end highlighter, you can go for the MAC one. This is called the Whisper of Guilt, and it's the extra dimension skin finish highlighter. So the second highlighter is the PAC highlighter. This is the PAC baked highlighter. They have like around 10 to 12 shades in this. Oh my god, this is such an intense highlighter. I'll show you a swatch. This is also kind of like a golden tone highlighter. As you can see, this is the one. It's pretty smooth. The texture is like so super smooth, and it glides on the skin so well. It provides a beautiful beaming highlighted sort of a look. It's not a subtle highlighter. If you're looking out for a beaming high shine highlighter, then this is the one that you need to go for. It also comes with a mirror. The packaging is classy, and this retails for about 950 rupees or something, but it's like worth the price. It's such good quality. It's finely milled, it's baked. And coming to the third highlighter, this is now we are getting into kind of like an affordable range. I'm talking about the Nykaa highlighter. Here you get two highlighters. This is in the shade Glitterati. This is rose gold, and this is gold. And since you get two shades and the price is also 650, it's pretty good bargain, I would say. So these are the two shades. These are also really smooth. These are not as beaming as the MAC or the PAC ones, but these are good. If you want to layer up or something, you can achieve that sort of a high shine beaming highlight. And if you want to make it subtle also, you can make it subtle. So this is that sort of highlighter. I've been loving this one as well. It's a great budget friendly option. It's a great one, and this is in the shade Glitterati 02. One is called Rose Gold and the other one is called Blonde Gold. It's a great, good quality, finely milled highlighter. Coming to my most used highlighter, and like really affordable as well. I have seen so many people talk about this highlighter on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube as well, and I'm talking about this Wet n Wild highlighter. This is the Mega Glow highlighter, and this particular shade is called Precious Petals. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful highlighter. You can make it subtle, you can make it beaming if you build it up a little bit, but this is so good. The flower pattern it's actually gone. It's a little bit worn down because I've used this so much, and it's a beautiful sort of a champagne-y highlighter. It's not a gold highlighter at all. I'm going to show you a swatch of this. So like you can see, it's kind of in between champagne and rose gold. It's so beautiful, it's so smooth, and this is priced at only around 500 rupees, and it's a great quality highlighter. You get good amount of highlighter in this, and this is, I think, the most used highlighter in my collection. beautiful highlighter, and it has a very cute flower pattern engraved in it. You do get more shades in this. If you're of a deeper skin tone, this might not suit you, so you can go for a deeper shade, which is crown of my canopy or something. You can go for that one. The formula of these highlighters are so beautiful. So that's my fourth pick. My last and final pick is a recent discovery. If you follow Akriti, the Makeup Biome channel, she actually got this highlighter and she uses this all over her face. I'm talking about the Misclaire Strobing powder. This is a beautiful subtle highlighter. It's a very nice champagne-y gold sort of a highlighter. It's very smooth as well, and you can actually use this, dust this all over the face, but I prefer to use this as a very nice subtle highlighter. Whenever you want a subtle glow, not that intense glow, you can use this. It's so beautiful. It blends out beautifully. It's a very nice champagne color, and I'm talking about the shade 05. This retails for about only $350 or $399. This is the cheapest highlighter price wise that I'm mentioning today. It's such a great quality highlighter. You do get more shades in this. Let me swatch it. So this is how the highlighter looks like once blended out. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my top 5 highlighters and found it useful, and I hope you found this helpful. And if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please leave your suggestions in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit the red color subscribe button underneath this video and you'll be good to go. If you do like these sorts of videos, and if you do want me to do any other top 5 from my collection, do let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to do that for you guys. So I'll see you next time in my next video. Until then, take care. Tata. Bye bye.